Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the OBC on Bike channel. Today we're not on the bike because today we're going to discuss an important topic. How to fix a flat in about 5 minutes. Now we're going to discuss the clincher version because tubeless is a little different. So here we go. Items you're going to need is trusty tire lever, spare inner tube or TPU tube, and of course your flat tire. So first things first, what you do is get your valve nut off or your valve cap off. Then you're going to take your valve nut off, because if you don't take this nut off, you obviously won't be able to take off the inner tube. Like so. Don't lose it. And then you're going to take your tire lever. You're going to pry the tire like so. You're going to wedge this in like so. And then you're going to push all the way around like so. You're going to grab your inner tube like so. And you're just going to pull it out. Easy peasy. Now before you think about putting the other inner tube in, you got to inspect your tire, because whatever punctured you is probably still there. So you're going to take your finger, make sure you wear some gloves or something because you might cut yourself, whatever's in there. And you look around all over the wheel, all over the tire, and try to find it. Once you find your culprit, discard it. Then you take your inner tube. For the purpose of this video, there's nothing wrong with this tube. You're going to give it a little air, like so, to give it some form. You're going to find your valve stem hole, like so, right here. Usually it's by the manufacturer's label here. And you're going to insert it, like so. And just gently put it back inside the rim bed, like so. Take your time. It's not a race. Make sure it's all the way in the rim bed, because you don't want to pinch it with the tire. Once you do that, you're going to pinch this tire back into place, like so. You're going to go all the way around. Like so. And you're going to wrestle it on a little bit, like so. And there you go. Replace your valve stem nut, like so. Open up your valve, like so. Pump up your tire, and off you go. Easy peasy. Best 5 minutes you could ever have to learn how to do this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget